an altered element is within the scope of the project shall comply with requirements for new construction. Resurfacing is constituted as an alteration. So you don't necessarily have to fix all 4 curb ramps at an intersection like this. It's whatever you're touching. So if the scope is only to fix 1 curb ramp, you make the 1 curb ramp comply, and then when you touch the other ones, then those have to comply. All right, and moving on here, maintenance alterations to elements and added to existing facilities. So maintenance projects do not require improvements to pedestrian accessibility under the ADA. Maintenance includes actions that are intended to preserve the system, prevent future deterioration, maintain the functional condition of the roadway without increasing the structural capacity. There are some maintenance things. Public works directors and contractors love to push that, and so you just got to make sure you're not crossing into something that's subject to meeting the current code. Additional maintenance activities include, but are not limited to, the surface overlays, joint repair, pavement patching, filling potholes. Obviously, pothole repair is not considered an alteration or new construction. Shoulder repair, signing, striping, minor signal upgrades, repairs of drainage. It's what's going to be the most defensible for the entity. So let's provide the greatest degree of access to the greatest number of people with whatever we're doing. You don't want to kill a project or prevent preventative maintenance, but at the same time, you don't want to do millions of dollars worth of work and provide no accessibility.